with care. How could we ever send her to Munich, a place like that? She doesn't know who belongs there.
$50 million. I'm all in. $7 million. This time, I'm going to lose everything.
We finally lose something.
Shoulder strap. Front zipper. D-rings for the shoulder strap. Backside, canvas. Shoulder strap. No decals on it. Looks nice. Clear bags, which is always nice to have. Tool holder. Okay, for your wrenches and all your sockets and your ratchets. I believe this side is for your wrenches. Yes, exactly what that's for. Whatever size wrenches you're going to use. And they're velcroed in. Pull it out, it's in there, and then you got another clear bag behind it. Yep, you got another clear pocket behind it, and it's zippered. So you can open it up and see what's in there. Not too bad. I purchased this one, and then I got this tier 2. This is what I got on it. I really wanted to get this. Then this is a bonus.